You need to hear this if you crave untold stories and empty streets. These spots are risky, but unforgettable. Ready? First stop, Amadiya in Iraqi Kurdistan, a cliffside village layered with empires. Tiny alleys, sunrise views travel writers won't stop raving about. Next, Iran. Isfahan's river gardens, Isfahan's domed mosques, Yazd's windcatcher skyline, Shiraz's poetic bazaars, majestic and walkable, more open to tourists than you think. Finally, Shibam in Yemen, the Manhattan of the desert, towering mud brick houses like ancient skyscrapers. They beg for a camera and a respectful guide. These are offbeat, high-reward trips for storytellers and curious travelers, but they're not plug-and-play. Check security updates, sort visas, hire trusted locals, travel responsibly. Want routes and contacts for any of these? Say the word.